Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You should be ready with an unlocked iPhone and basic familiarity with gestures. For iPhones with a notch, swipe down from the top right corner to reveal Control Center. For iPhones with a home button, swipe up from the bottom edge. Once done, don't press too hard, just a steady drag. If Control Center doesn't appear, make sure Face ID isn't active or the screen isn't restricted by guided access, because those block the gesture. Now that Control Center is open, interact with controls. Tap to toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or airplane mode, and press and hold to access additional settings like network details or audio output. When adjusting brightness or volume, use the sliders and then fine-tune with 3D or long press for granular options. Make sure customized controls are present by adding them in settings. Otherwise, the layout may differ between devices, so adapt your taps and holds based on what you see. Finish by customizing Control Center in settings. Add shortcuts like low power mode, voice memos, or notes so you access what matters fast. Once you've added controls, practice opening and closing the panel until it's muscle memory. If gestures stop working, restart your iPhone and recheck Settings Control Center to ensure access on lock screen is enabled. If problems persist, check screen time or guided access restrictions, or perform Reset All settings as a last resort. This preserves data but clears preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.